기역, 기역.
Pronounce like G as in go.
니은, 니은.
Pronounce like N as in no.
디귿, 디귿.
Pronounce like D as in dog.
리을, 리을.
Pronounce like R and a soft L as in rail or roll.
미음, 미음.
Pronounce like M as in mother.
비읍, 비읍.
Pronounce like B as in boy.
시옷, 시옷.
Pronounce like S as in sky.
이응, 이응.
Pronounce like NG as in sing when at the end.
지읒, 지읒.
Pronounce like J as in jam.
치읒, 치읒.
Pronounce like ch as in chair.
히읗, 히읗.
Pronounce like K as in kite.
티읒, 티읒.
Pronounce like T as in top.
피읍, 피읍.
Pronounce like P as in pot.
히읗, 히읗.
Pronounced like H as in hat. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting language adventures. And if you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family who are also eager to learn Korean. Your support helps us create more fun and educational content for everyone. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.